Welcome or welcome back to Running Two Households, where I help take care of my 86-year-old friend as well as run my own household. And it was just a normal Tuesday. We're getting breakfast ready. I was a little late coming over this morning. I just didn't want to get out of bed, let's be honest. It was quite a day yesterday. But I sat and ate with my friend and then did the dishes and decided better clean out the refrigerator. The shelves are getting a little disgusting again. One has caramel stuck to it, and I don't know what all else in there. Plus, there was some squishy apples and some things that needed to get thrown out because they're expired or gross or both. So we did that. So how is everyone doing this fine Tuesday? I hope you're all having a great and awesome day. I did put out a video yesterday, but not a short. So if you did not see that video, I hope you'll go to my channel and check that out as we tackled my friend's toilet, my best friend and I. It was quite a crazy day yesterday. So if you haven't seen that video, I hope you'll check it out, watch it, give me a like. And here I am, just cleaning out the refrigerator. All the stuff. Her refrigerator hardly has anything compared to my refrigerator. And my refrigerator was also in desperate need of being cleaned out. And since my friend was going shopping with her daughter, I decided to go tackle my refrigerator after I got this one done. So look at how it has inspired me. You guys inspire me to get things done too, because I'm like, well, I need to get a video or a short out. And so I have to find something to clean and something to do. So it benefits us all. You hear all the squeaking and coughing in the background. Those are my dash hounds, or weenie dogs, as some people call them. One squeaking for food and one is coughing because he has congestive heart failure. Anyways, it is all spick and span, and we are to the end of this reel. And I hope you all have a great and awesome day. I don't have any hugs to show you today, but we did do some hugging, I promise. Here's the finished product of her refrigerator, and I hope to see you guys all tomorrow. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.